Welcome everyone to my new Solana price prediction video for late 2023. As usually, we are down to the earth, keeping the numbers on the rational side, which means that we consider everything that is backed up by information and nothing that is in the speculatory side of the market. Solana today is still having a great time. We are looking for still reacting basically and measuring our highs, aiming towards breaking out and finding some stability. Hopefully we're not going to do on the daily a divergence in the upcoming period, which will be quite painful. Now Solana today is trending, guys. It's basically back to the $109, $110, which is a great sign at the end of the day, considering the fact that it's still between the biggest gainers. 4% on a cryptocurrency like this, which has moved a lot. It is a great recovery phase. We're going to dive into the charts and find out more, especially making sure you are aware that we have daily videos right here. Many other presentations with my live trades that I perform. There's also one of the trades in my shorts. You can see that on my channel. Feel free to subscribe and like the video. We have, live trades going on. By the way, for those of you that are interested to join my trades, you can definitely do it through my trading journal and report. We have option number 1, no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you. I'm going to talk about this one at the end, just like about the coaching program, guys. Solana's price prediction situation is in a recovery phase right now after touching the 1.618 extension, which is a great sign, by the way, considering the fact that we've been able to take partial liquidity out of this top right here. We still have the ability, and it's still sitting on the table, that we are going to retest the highs of 125, especially if BTC decides to go to $48,000, $49,000. Then you're going to get basically a Solana retest and probably break above this top and continue to the number 0 of the extension, that is the reverse Fibonacci. Now in that case scenario, you might form here on the CRSI indicator on the bottom, you might form a divergence in the tops. That remains as a possibility out there, which is going to be pretty problematic, especially that it appears to be on the daily. So keep that in mind, that in such situations where we have such charts, the biggest problems and risks are around divergences on their formation. We've been pumping insanely during the 106 days, 600% for Solana, guys, a cryptocurrency which is delivering $4 or $5 billion volume in 24 hours right now, and it's having great numbers out there, so people trade this one. But at the same time, you need to be careful. Please consider looking into the retracement percentage. It's 23% retracement. I mean, if you're leveraging, you're going to be wiped out. If you use trailing stop loss, you're wiped out. You are in a situation of a highly volatile market that needs to be traded accordingly. So one thing that is still a problem here is that the gap between 20 days moving average and 200 days moving average is 53%. I mean, anything that's above 30 is crazy wild. This is 53. This is an extreme situation of overbought, which obviously still has the ability to keep pushing as long as the market environment is holding it, which is why such situations become wild and uncontrollable due to the fact that people start shorting. Some of the traders, some of the beginners are aiming to short, and they find themselves in opposite domination in markets, which means that they're constantly getting stopped out, constantly getting liquidated, constantly generating buying pressure. At the end of the day, to exit a short is basically needing to do a buying pressure. Now, this is what is also helping such cryptocurrencies that are becoming wild in their price actions to go upwards. This is something that constantly helps these cryptocurrencies to find themselves in great shapes at a time they are performing like that. So it's difficult to position yourself in a short for Solana, which is why I would never ever do that. Now, like I said, a bit of lower quality of video right here, considering the usual way I'm doing it, as I am a little cold. So make sure, guys, to subscribe and like the video. Hit the buttons of description area and comments area. You have everything right there of resources, including the ability to join my trades and my coaching program. Have a good time, folks. We talk to you soon.